The next person you need in your team is a broker or a bank. Now, when you're initially setting up your portfolio, I suggest using a broker. Then this will ensure that the broker helps you to understand how to position your financial situation to the bank. If you're going to the bank directly, then you might make some mistakes. A broker's there on your side, they can smooth those things out and teach you over time how to deal with banks. After a while, once you've built a serious portfolio, a lot of people end up dealing with the bank within the private wealth area of the bank, but initially just deal with the broker. Let's be very clear on brokers. Some of the most stressful times I've had in early days, for myself and my wife Felicity, when investing, was brought about by brokers who were out of their depth. And I'm talking when I had hair, stories that used to turn my hair white. But a broker, if we're thinking about brokers, everyone who owns a home has a relationship with a broker, and they're great with building relationships with people because they want that future business. But over 99% of brokers will fail when it comes to setting up an investment portfolio. It's very, very rare to find a broker who understands the financial structure you require to build a portfolio that will allow you to duplicate. Most brokers, when they're working, will take the easy road. They're used to doing home loans, but they're not used to doing investment properties. 99% of them are fine with doing home loans, but there's not many people who build large portfolios, and hence not many brokers who are familiar with that. So the main thing with a broker when you're dealing with them is they need to understand that your own home can't be secured with the investment property. I'll go through this in detail on a whiteboard in a later property wow. But once again, when choosing a broker, have a look at My 4-Year-Old Property Investor. There's a checklist in there that will keep you safe. But the most important thing, find a property investor who's built a large portfolio and use their broker. Do not use the broker that you used for your own home.